Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and apply for BDO virtual card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your bdo.com.ph on your computer, or can be on your mobile itself. Once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface over here, right? Afterwards, the thing that you have to do is you simply have to go to this option section of cards over here. Now scroll down to the bottom and get to this option of credit cards. Simply go ahead and then go to this option of apply for a credit card option just given below. Once you have tapped on it, it will show you all of the BDO credit card services where you can go ahead apply according to your need. But if you gotta scroll down to the bottom, you will find this section. You can see it's for discover more BDO cards, and here in this section you will be able to find this option of a virtual card just right over here. All you have to do is get into here and tap on this apply now afterwards. Now simply it will show you the ways for you to do so and the benefits you will get. You can see before you proceed, take the time to review these 5 safety reminder and tips. Make sure to read all of that so it will be easy for you to access and use it further. Now go ahead to bottom, tap on this okay, understand, and now it will show you this kind of interface where you have to simply complete these steps, which includes verify your account, assign your BDO virtual card credit limit, enter your one-time password, request complete. First thing would be simply for you to verify. Go ahead, enter the information over here to verify your account. Once you're done, tap on submit. Now as I mentioned over here, simply complete all of the other steps mentioned by BDO itself. Once you have done it, you will be able to successfully apply for virtual card, and you will receive the confirmation when it's done. That is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.